2, 1. Robot, fight! Green immediately goes in and Pittsburgh gets hit really hard. Pittsburgh is again trying to go for that grab. Nope, go again, nope. Green Flame now knows what Pittsburgh is gaining and is trying to counteract that. Pittsburgh is trying to use that spin of foot. Pittsburgh grabs Green Flame and won't let it go, even though its feet is being gnawed at. Pittsburgh is really bullying Green Flame here. You should very much fear Pittsburgh. What's going on now? Let's see if you take over Green up a second. And now they're back at it. Green Flame is gnawing away at Pittsburgh's feet, while Pittsburgh is just running towards them, trying to get that win. Pittsburgh has to open their mouth to go for the back, because Green Flame is just gnawing and gnawing away at that Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is looking for this moment, and it is just following along the Green Flame. But even Green Flame is flying into the side, destroying parts of itself, and against the side. Well, Pittsburgh is simply pushing it along. Pittsburgh is saying he doesn't even need the feet to win. He doesn't need the fight. Green Flame knocks him away. Knocks him away again. He will not allow for the bite, but he still gets the bite. Pittsburgh has now bit. Pittsburgh goes for another bite on Green Flame. Green Flame does not like that, but Pittsburgh is able to grab the second bite. 30 seconds. Pittsburgh is now Green Flame is bashing Pittsburgh against the walls. Pittsburgh does not care. Pittsburgh goes for another bite.
I'm still running.